channel and welcome back to another hits and misses video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of my recent purchases and whether or not I think they're a hit or a miss, and then just mini reviews on them. And yeah, we are going to do my bedroom and then some designer purchases today. So let me just flip the camera around and get started. I have the Billy bookshelves for my handbags. And again, this is a definite hit. I absolutely love these. They just look so good. I'm so happy Sam agreed to let me essentially take over the bedroom. But I love how everything's on display. I know a lot of people are concerned about like dust and things. I use my bags pretty frequently and I don't want to put them in like a glass case. I think they work fine just like there, and we dust pretty frequently, so I don't have any concern about that. It is hard to get photos of these just because of the angle with the bed, as y'all see. Like I'm laying down on the bed right now. But yeah, loving these. Love the display, and these organizers have been really great. And then as for some of the stuff that I've purchased recently, we'll go into more detail. So let's start over here. So first bag was the St. Laurent Mini Lou. This has been a really great going out bag. No color transfer. I've worn it a few times. I have sprayed it with Apple Guard and it helps, but honestly, it's just been really versatile, and I love that it fits everything that I need. And it's gonna be a great like string bag, and I can't wait to use it in my bachelorette party. And then the Gucci Ophidia pouch. I've loved using this just as a regular pouch. So you can use it as a handbag if you'd like. I used it to carry it around as a handbag, and honestly I've just been using it as a pouch and it's worked really well. I have got a few questions about this. So I have the one that it's the pouch, not the toiletry. There's a toiletry that's the exact same price. It's just a little, I believe the toiletry is thicker. This one's taller, but the toiletry has the monogram on the side and the pouch has the leather. I recommend this one just because the quality is amazing, especially if you're going to use it as a pouch and like a bag. I think it's more beneficial to get this one. I think it'll just look a lot nicer too. It works great as a handbag. As y'all can see, I have the chain here. I was too lazy after the last time I used it to take it off because I have a separate one that hangs it up because it needs a smaller chain to be hung up. But I love her. She's been a great bag, and it's great to convert this from a pouch to a bag if I need it. So it's going to be great, I know, to travel with. Yeah, we have those two. So these two are definitely hits in my opinion. I'm very happy that I got them. Next up is my Marc Jacobs mini work tote. I believe it's what it's called, or maybe it's small. So I have the small and I have the large, and this is the grind tote, and it's beautiful. I love the colors on here, and I obviously really love how the design and functionality, because I also got it in the large so I could use it for work, and that's my main work bag. But this one has just been a great little casual, like on the go bag, similar to my Tory Burch. Oh, which one are these? Evelyn, I believe is what they're called. No, that's not right. Similar to these. Like, I have been looking for more medium-sized bags, as y'all know, and I feel like I finally have a good mix. And I really love this color way because you can use it with so many different outfits, and I feel like the tan just helps make it either like casual if needed, or you can still like dress it up, and I don't know, it's just the perfect bag, and I love the colorway. So we have that one. Inside my closet, we have the large one. Again, this has been my go-to work bag, and I love her. I'm going to do a what's in my bag as well. That's either going to come out before or after this video, but that way y'all can get more details on the bag. But it's just a great leather bag. That's the best thing about Marc Jacobs, is I absolutely love their leather and their price point. So it was definitely a really good price point. And while we are in my closet, let's go over the new hangers that I got. So I shared this on TikTok when I redid it, but we got all new hangers. So these are a lot slimmer. I think I got like 2 packs of 200, so I have so many extras up here. But they are velvet and white, and they are amazing. So that you got 2 styles. So I put a lot of tank tops and blouses and like spaghetti strapped dresses on this one, and then these I use for like my hoodies and blazers. So It's nice to have a variety, but these are also so thin. I used to use thick plastic ones, and I just think this makes everything look a lot nicer as well. But these also, in my opinion, are a hit. I'm really glad that I invested. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on hangers, and I'm really glad that I did. So yeah, we have those. And then for a miss, so I was actually wearing them today, so let me go to the kitchen. As for misses, and it's not a full miss, say hi to Mira, y'all know she has to be in the video. It's not a full miss, but it's finally warm enough to wear these in Texas, and so I wore them once, and they started, I don't even know what happened here. So we went to my dad, or to go visit my dad, and my mom was out of town, and he like barbecued, and like we just went outside briefly. I think we went to, I don't even think we did anything else or went anywhere. And when I came home, like I wasn't rough with them or anything, and all of a sudden there were these little notches on the shoe. And for the cost of the shoe, they should not, in my opinion, do this after the first time, because now I'm kind of concerned on what they're gonna do after, like now, like is it going to continue to tear? Because I can't even tell. Trying to like zoom in, it looks like I am pretty clumsy. I don't know, like if I just tripped on something and it started to like, it went into the shoe, but I don't know. I just pretty disappointed that I have to be careful with what I wear, especially with, or what I do, especially since it's a sandal and they should be very durable. These are twice the cost of a Tory Burch Miller, probably more than twice the cost of a Tory Burch Miller, and those things are indestructible. I love my Millers, and I honestly think these are going to be my first and last Gucci sandals, at least in this design, because of this, because it should not do this for the cost. So I consider these a mess. I'm still going to wear them. I still like them. I'm probably going to look up how to like fix this, or find a way to prevent it from, I guess chipping is the word that we can use. But yeah, I wanted to get these in black and the gold pairs as well, but honestly, I really don't want to now, because I don't think it's going to be worth it. I'd rather just buy more Miller sandals. Y'all know I already have them pretty much in every color, like, or at least every neutral color. So they're a lot cheaper and they're more durable. So this will probably be my last pair of Gucci sandals. But we'll see, unless, you know, I can figure out how to fix these or prevent this from happening. So those are a miss. And then I just want to turn the camera back around, because other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know.